Hello everyone, let's start mathematics class today. Reflection chapter is going on. I want to teach few more questions today from that exercise. So before starting that exercise, reflection, I want to revise within 2 minutes about the reflection in the axis. So let's see, as I taught study, reflection of a point P xy in x axis, what will be in P dash x comma minus y. Reflection of a point P xy in x axis is P dash x comma minus y. It means that if this point will reflect in x-axis, we have to find the image of this point in x-axis. So what value will be changed that? Y value will be changed that. Okay. Now, second was that reflection of a point P xy in y-axis is P double dash minus x comma y. If reflection taking place in y-axis, so what value will be changed that? X value will be changed that. But if reflection of a point P xy in origin P triple dash minus x comma minus y. Reflection of a point P xy in origin P triple dash y taken, that we got different image showing that will be minus x comma minus y. So this was the basic things about the image. So on these things that I have taught through the figure that how can you draw on the graph paper. I hope that all have graph paper, all are doing that with the graph paper. So student, you have to do the practice, you have to complete the question on the graph paper, not on the plain page that. So these things while you draw on the graph paper, you will find that this will be changed. How will change minus x minus y, this way that you can find out that. So on the basis of this, let's take the question from the exercise. Few more questions. I have taken question 10 from the exercise. In this question, given that write down the coordinates of the images of the image of the point 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So first, in middle of the graph paper, you have to draw two number line for x-axis and for y-axis that. Then go through according to the question. 3 minus 2. 3, 1, 2, 3 and minus 2 here. This is the 2 because given the your coordinate given there. 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 means this is 3 minus 2. It means the x positive, y negative. So y will be negative downside and x is positive right side. So minus 2, it means that downside we have to come, minus 2 here. And x3, 1, 2, 3. By using the scale, you have to draw the proper, you have to plot proper way on the graph. This is suppose that P. What is coordinate of this? 3 comma minus 2. Okay. Then this point reflected in the x-axis. This point reflected in the x-axis. ये x-axis है. x में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, किसका वैल्यू चेंज होता है? y का. Here y वैल्यू कितना है? minus 2. क्या बनेगा? 2 plus 2. It means that coordinate will be 3, 2. Coordinate will be 3, 2. 3 here, 2 there. your coordinate will be p dash 3 comma 2. Okay, now second part, reflected in the y-axis. This point reflected in the y-axis. इस पॉइंट का रिफ्लेक्टेड पॉइंट लाइन ये होगा y-axis. तो y-axis मीन दैट व्हाट विल बी चेंज इन y-axis. y-axis में x का वैल्यू चेंज होगा. दिस विल बी माइनस नाउ. सो 3 क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. सो -3 -2. सो -3 हियर एंड -2 हियर. So that is p double dash -3 -2. Okay, reflected in x axis followed by reflected in y axis. Reflected in x axis अब किसका पॉइंट कंडीशन दिया फॉलोड बाय रिफ्लेक्टेड इन y axis. इसका रिफ्लेक्शन y axis में यही हुआ यही. तो इस पॉइंट का रिफ्लेक्शन इन x axis हमें निकालना है. रिफ्लेक्टेड इन x एक्सिस फॉलोड बाय y एक्सिस. तो y एक्सिस ये p ये फॉलोड हुआ ये मिला इमेज. दिस वी फाउंड दैट. सो दिस इमेज अगेन हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट इन x एक्सिस. सो व्हाट विल बी x एक्सिस. इफ विल रिफ्लेक्ट इन x एक्सिस व्हाट वैल्यू विल चेंज एट y वैल्यू विल बी चेंज. इफ दिस पॉइंट विल रिफ्लेक्ट इन x एक्सिस x में y का वैल्यू चेंज होता है. दैट इज -3 2. तो -3 and 2 here. That is p triple dash. What is coordinate? -3 comma 2. Then reflected in the origin. This reflected in the origin mean that 8 होगा. This reflected in the origin. Both will be changed. Both will be changed. So this is -3 हो जाएगा. This will be 2. This is -3. This is 2. -3 2 दोनों का सेम. इसका भी आ रहा सेम. इसका भी आ रहा सेम. Okay. So go through question wise. First, reflected in x axis. What will be coordinate image? 3 comma 2. पहले का reflected in x axis. ये x axis है. दूसरा रिफ्लेक्टेड इन y एक्सिस. ये पॉइंट y में रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है. इधर आया p डबल डैश -3 -2. ओके. थर्ड रिफ्लेक्टेड इन x एक्सिस फॉलोड बाय रिफ्लेक्शन इन y एक्सिस. अब यह x में हो रहा है क्योंकि यही फॉलोड बाय y एक्सिस. यही रिफ्लेक्ट y से रिफ्लेक्ट होकर के यहाँ आया है. तो इसी को x में रिफ्लेक्ट कराना है. तो यहाँ क्या होगा x में रिफ्लेक्ट कराएंगे y का चेंज होगा. तो बना क्या -3 2. थर्ड पॉइंट p ट्रिपल डैश -3 2. नाउ लास्ट रिफ्लेक्टेड इन द ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है तो यही बनेगा -3 2. सो फोर्थ व्हाट विल बी 3 -3 2. वही same image will be formed that. So this way you have to plot on the graph to find the image there. Okay. So let's take one more question to understand. Question number 12 of the exercise 10. In this question given that p dash image given direct. Original point not given, image given. P dash image is the image. What is p dash? -4 -3 is the image of p. ये किसका इमेज है? p का. p अननोन है. Asking that, questioning that under reflection in the origin, this image form under reflection in origin. In origin. So what is the coordinate of p? So let coordinate of p. Let coordinate of p be a comma b. अगर हम p का कोऑर्डिनेट a कामा b मान लें तो इसका रिफ्लेक्शन ओरिजिन में कितना होगा? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ दिस इन ओरिजिन. सो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ p इन ओरिजिन विल बी p डैश -a कामा -b. ओरिजिन में दोनों चेंज होता है तो ओरिजिन बोथ विल बी चेंज. So minus a comma minus b will be equal to minus 4 comma minus 3. It means a is equal to 4 and b is equal to what is 3. So coordinate of p what will be 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3. ठीक है. अगर इसको आप नहीं लिखना चाहते, we don't want to write that, so already rule you know that if this came through the origin, so what will be the original point at, because while point reflect in origin both value will be changed x and y. So because here came the minus 1, it means that origin what is the original value was that positive, means both was the positive. So p came 4 3 1 2 3 4 3. This is 3 and this is 4. This is p 4 comma 3 and this is given minus 4 3 minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 3. This is minus 4. This is 3. Sorry. Minus 4 minus 3. Here will be from there. Minus 4 minus 3. This is minus 4 and this is minus 3. That is p dash minus 4 minus 3. Because p reflected in the origin, so that will be p dash minus 4 minus 3. Okay. Now one more part in this, having that second part. So coordinate of p became the 4 3. Second part having that the coordinates of the image of p का image, ये देखिए p है, इसका image under reflection in the line y is equal to minus 2. Under reflection in the line y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. This is the minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2, a line you have to draw which is parallel to x-axis and passing from the minus 2 comma 0, means the minus 2 को कट कर रहा है. ठीक. So we have to find the reflection of p in this line. Let's see that. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. How much here that? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Because this point P lies at 5 distance from this line. इस लाइन से P 5 डिस्टेंस पर लाई करता है, तो इमेज विल बी बिहाइंड दिस लाइन एट व्हाट डिस्टेंस, दैट 5 डिस्टेंस. चलिए आगे बढ़ाइए. 1 2 3 4 5. So yes, this will be P double dash. What will be coordinate? Tell me what will be coordinate according to the Cartesian plane पर आप जाना है coordinate के लिए. Did you understand how this I taken the P double dash here? That कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? See, first we have to find the distance of P from the line, क्योंकि this point will be reflect through this line. This point will image, we have to find the image of this point in this line. The image will form behind the line, ठीक, at equal distance. What is distance of P from this line? Up to here 1 2 3, then 1 here 4, 1 here 5. So total distance how much? 5. 5 नीचे भी आइए. कैसे? 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक. -5 -6 -7. 5 नीचे आ जाइए. अब इसका कोऑर्डिनेट बताइए क्या होगा. देखिए 1 2 3 4 फॉर x 4 एंड फॉर y चलिए यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक -7, क्योंकि कोऑर्डिनेट जब लिखना होगा तो वी हैव टू सी द कार्टेशियन प्लेन. ओके, so this was the question of the 12. Answer is coming that P double dash is equal to image of P in the line y is equal to -2 will be 4 -7. Now one more question. Question number 14 of this exercise, like the previous question, little having the different that a point PAB is reflected in x-axis. P given that AB is reflected in x-axis to P dash is reflected in the x-axis to P dash 5 comma minus 2. Okay, you should read the question before the solving the question. That PAB, this is the coordinate. This point reflected in the x-axis and became the image P dash 5 comma minus 2. Can you say that if P reflect in x-axis, what value will be changed, at ordinate or abscissa? It will be changed ordinate because this reflection is taking place in x-axis. So ordinate will be changed. So if PAB image of, because you know that image of PAB in the x-axis, what will be? Will be P dash A comma minus B. So A comma minus B equal to 5 comma minus 2. वही सेम थिंग है, इमेज पी ए बी का रिफ्लेक्शन एक्स एक्सिस में पी डैश और पी एक्स रिफ्लेक्शन एक्स एक्सिस पी डैश, बोथ विल बी सेम. Both will be same. So A is equal to what will be 5 and minus B is equal to minus 2. So B is equal to what will be 2. So your value asking find the value of A and B. So A came 5 and B came 2. Then P double dash is the image of P when reflected in the y-axis. देखिए P double dash, P already came that 5 2. Either plot or don't plot that, no matter. Now remove this. Your P came P 5 comma 2. So write down the value of A and B, already came that. Second, P dash is the image of P when reflected in y-axis. P 5 2. 5 here, 2 there. So this is P 5 comma 2. This P now forming that P dash if reflected in y-axis. So in y-axis what will be changed if this will be reflect? यदि P y एक्सिस में रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा, क्या चेंज होगा? x का वैल्यू चेंज होगा, क्या हो जाएगा? -5. तो -5 आ जाइए, -4 -5 -6 -5 हियर. सो P डबल डैश -5 कामा 2. ठीक है, P रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ P इन y एक्सिस. So x value will be changed. यहाँ -5 हो जाएगा, तो -5 किधर है? इधर है, this side that. So -5 comma 2. This is 2 and this is the -5. -5 comma 2. Now write down the P double dash that already over. Name a single transformation that maps P dash to P double dash. Name a one more thing, that P dash, where is that? P dash 5 minus 2 already given that. 5 minus 2, this is the P dash. P dash 5 minus 2, ये दिया हुआ आपका P dash. This is image of P in x axis. Okay, asking the single transformation P dash to P double dash in origin. Single transformation of P dash will be in origin, so it will become P double dash -5 2. So name a single transformation that maps P dash to P double dash. So this is, it means that while this reflect in origin, Okay, this was the question number 14. So student, that practice is needed for this. Graph is needed and practice. If you do your practice on the graph, so all the question will be more clear that nothing कुछ नहीं है इस एक्सरसाइज में. ओनली आपको प्लॉट करना है ग्राफ पेपर पर प्लॉट करते जाइए, सब कुछ आपको समझ में आएगा जो है. ठीक है. ओके, दिस मच इनफ फॉर टुडे स्टूडेंट. थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू.